Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and wanted to do a quick look. Some of you have been asking me, about Amazon devices like this Fire 10 tablet, and wondered, are these worth buying, and what is it compared to, say, an Android tablet or an iPad? I've purchased this Fire 10 tablet, which is the latest version that was released. Actually, I got it on the day they released it this year. So this is their latest 10-inch tablet. The main reason I buy a tablet is to read books. I have a lot of technical books and a lot of books that I like to read regularly. I've got subscriptions to magazines like, Sky and Telescope and so on. All of that I like to read on these tablets. It's kind of my e-reader. So it's the number one thing that I will do in general with a tablet is read books. That will be probably 70% of my usage. I purchased the Fire 10 because it was priced at, it was kind of performance versus price was kind of just right. I am also an Amazon Prime user, so I've got Amazon Video also. And so all of that together means that it seemed right, and it had all the apps for Netflix and so on. Now, one of the things you got to know is that when you buy a Fire tablet, if Amazon has its own twist on the operating system, although underneath it is Android, it is actually modified to actually support only the Amazon App Store. So that's the thing about these tablets. You got to know that they're wired to be the Amazon App Store first. But there's a twist. You can actually, if you look on the internet, there's tons of instructions. It's quite easy. You can actually convert your device to have the Google Play Store. And it works, and it's great. And you can install the favorite apps. This was pretty good, because for me, this was something that was missing, to have all of these apps that I wanted to use. I have several apps for amateur radio use and shortwave radio listening, things that I really, really wanted. Of course, there's some astronomy apps like, Stellarium. So there were some apps that were missing. Some are in the store for the Amazon store, but most of your favorite apps are often just within the Google Play Store. So having that possibility to tweak it to actually install the Google Play Store really was something that made me enjoy this tablet even more. It's fast. It's great, and battery life is pretty long. I mean, I've used it quite a few times as I went to do some stuff and I was waiting for hours. I've been watching Netflix and videos and stuff like that for hours at a time, and still after 4 or 5 hours of use, I still had more than 50% battery life, which is quite good. So it has a good battery life. Camera is the crappiest thing in the world. Don't buy this because of the camera. You're going to really have a crappy time. But overall, it's a nice tablet. It's powerful enough. For most people, I think it would be great. And like I said, to add to the twist, you can actually install the Google Play Store if you need to, because it is kind of an Android device, but it's kind of locked down. You have to go into the settings, and in those settings, you've got to let apps install without permission from the App Store from Amazon. But overall, it's a very fast and very nice tablet, the Fire 10. I really like it, and I use it quite a lot. But like I said, my main use for this is for reading ebooks and magazines. If I have to go to the internet, browse, and so on, most of the time, now I will be using, of course, my Chromebook mostly. But if you're looking for a tablet, it's nice and it works great. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.